Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please do subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so today's video I'm going to show you unboxing, my usual unboxing time. Okay, so the unboxing for today is this. It's huge. It's a Yamaha. I thought it's a motorbike. So let's open.
Open sesame.
Open sesame. Let's. Oh,
Just pull it. Be careful, you might damage the inside.
is it? Is it fragile?
No. This can damage it.
Wow. Okay, so it's.
Quite heavy as well, so be careful.
So this is NS-SW something. Northwest, southwest.
Model number.
Oh, how could I do this?
Yeah, take out the polystyrene.
Okay. There. There. Oh, it's heavy.
It's heavy. Careful.
Okay, it's good. I have my nice coffee. I'm strong enough. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Oh my lord. Oopsie. Let's put this there. There. Heaviness overload. Okay, now let's find.
This side. Don't need the scissors.
Yeah.
Well, let's just put it on.
Oh, it wraps like a present.
That's to prevent it from getting scratched.
Oh, okay. That is fine. Okay. But it's good. I like this wrapping
Yeah.
plastic thing. Oh, okay. So could you pull the rubber? Thank you so much, husband.
Thank you, very glad.
Thank you, very glad. Okay, so this is Yamaha. Okay. What is this, darling?
Subwoofer.
What how do you spell before?
With W-O-O-F-E-R.
Woofer.
Yeah, it's like a speaker,
Oh.
which gives you the, when you're watching
So
films with the home cinema surround sound on.
so it's a surround sound.
Yeah, it sort of exaggerates the explosions and things like that. The big bangs.
So it
Adds,
doesn't.
it adds oomph
Oh my god! So it's like
to your home cinema surround sound.
the sound of the cinema.
Yeah,
Oh my god! I'm used to that
we
sound.
already got
Oh,
Dolby
so
stereo
that's
surround,
nice.
Yamaha amplifier. And this is an additional
Oh,
speaker subwoofer.
so
It should give it a bit more oomph.
okay. So we'll shoot
And
the
it
back.
was on special offer, £40
Okay.
off.
Let's. So that is the back. So that is
That
the.
plugs into the mains electricity
So
because
that is the.
it's powered by itself.
What do you mean powered by itself?
It's got built-in amplifier.
Oh. Okay.
But you still have to connect it to the main Yamaha amplifier.
So let's see where it is made from.
Probably China.
No, Indonesia.
Is it?
Yeah, look,
Clever
Indonesia.
tiny.
Made in Indonesia.
Unusual.
So that's nice.
Yamaha is Japanese, I think.
Really? Oh yeah, because Indonesia is like the technology is the Japanese. something like that. I know that the Indonesia and Japan are close together, so making all this technology thing. So that's very good. Yamaha. So, but this is UKCA. What is CA? Canada?
Not sure.
So, Importer European Union. Yeah. So, this is 230 volt.
No.
It
40.
says
40 watts. Yeah, that's
40
the
watts.
230 is the UK.
Equivalent. 40 watts?
40 watts amplification.
Oh.
Which is quite low actually for subwoofers.
So, what is high?
This
What,
is
what?
the bottom of the range end.
So, what number is high then?
It's not like 100 watts or over.
So, that's very low.
Yeah,
More than half.
that is the cheapest.
Oh.
Normally £119, but it was on sale for 79.
Okay,
That's why I got it. We've got the surround sound amplifier, which is also a Yamaha. We've had that for 19 and a half years, and all this time I've been thinking of getting a subwoofer.
Oh, so the one that we're using now?
Yeah,
Oh.
whenever we watch Blu-rays and DVDs.
Okay. And look at this. I like it. I like the shape of this.
Yeah, I
It's
think they call it a cone.
cone. It's shapes like a petal.
That's on
Flower
the side,
petal.
and the front is that.
Yeah, this is the side, but on the other side is nothing.
Nothing.
It's
No.
just flat, so it's only this side. So the sound come out from there as well.
Both, I think, yeah.
Here and
There
there.
and the front.
Not at the back and
No.
here. So if it's all surround, it should be all. Is it?
No,
Is it not?
is with the other speakers. We got 6 other speakers. This will make number 7.
Oh my
Completes
gosh,
the
that's
set.
a lot of speaker.
Yeah,
We're not deaf.
it gives you sound. We already got the surround sound, so this
Yeah.
just gives you the extra oomph
How deep is
or
this?
explosion.
Oh, this is very deep. It's very deep in there. It's like a cave.
Supposed to be 8-inch
8 in, so it should
cone.
be.
That
It's
will be
like
the front, I
in
think.
the
The
middle.
front speaker will be 8-inch in diameter.
And the front, the shape is. I like the shape because it's like octagonal
Yeah,
and it's very
it's a
black.
nice design.
Is it always black?
Most of
Speakers
them are.
always.
Sometimes they make them in like white as well, but it doesn't go.
And it's
Not
very
for home
nice.
cinema. It's better to have it black.
Oh, it's very nice here. What do you call this? It's like velvety.
Yeah, you normally have that on most speakers. So.
So because the velvet, like it absorbs the sound, something. Yeah, it's like I don't know. And this is very nice finish. It's shiny.
And you can open that as that goes with it.
Ah, so there's another one, guys, to open, to unbox this one. So let's see this, guys. So this goes with it.
Yeah,
Oh,
have to buy it separately because they don't include it in with the speaker.
oh, so it's tiny, teeny miny. So cable.
Yeah, you need that to connect it to the main amplifier.
How do you open?
Probably need the scissors to cut the little tape.
Oh, okay. So it cuts here. Okay. Got it. So this is. So that is the front thing. So I like the color. It's a purple and black.
Amazon, their own one,
Oh yeah, it's Amazon.
because it's cheaper.
Amazon Basic.
£7.
Hello, Amazon. Oh, I like the color. Oh yeah, no. What's the?
Our baby, our baby checking out the new box there. You can see his tail behind the box.
Oh, baby, you're hiding.
Yes.
So this is nice. I like it. I like the color. Look at that. So black, purple, and gold. It's a perfect combination. The color is nice. And so it's long. This is
Yeah.
long. So where do you put this?
One end plugs into the back of this
And then the other
subwoofer,
one?
and the other into the Yamaha amplifier.
Oh, so there is a main amplifier.
Yeah.
Oh, that's why it's the same plug.
Yeah.
Oh, so you know what you're doing.
Yeah.
So you're going to put it later.
Yeah.
Now,
I'll connect it up
after this. Oh, okay. So you're going to connect.
and hope it works and hope
Yeah.
it makes a difference.
And I like this thing because it's soft, nice and soft.
Yeah.
So all these things they are nicer because when it's a bit expensive,
That one was
if
actually
the
cheap.
items. Oh really?
Yeah.
So how much did you pay for this?
£7 for the lead.
Do you think that's cheap?
Yeah, that's Amazon's basic.
Oh, and this is very long. I like it when it's long because
I think it's just over 2 meters,
2 meters.
something like that.
See, it's long.
It's long enough for where we will place the
Yeah.
subwoofer.
Okay.
They had longer one as well, but we don't need longer.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So this is the unboxing for today. Do you want to add some more?
That's it really.
Yeah,
We
because
can,
that's all.
after we try it out, we can add,
The sound. You cannot put the sound.
no, just a review. We can
Ah, the review. Okay.
include a quick review.
Yeah. Okay.
Whether it was worth getting.
Yeah. All right. Okay, guys. So this is the unboxing for today. This woofer
Yamaha subwoofer
Yamaha
for
Subwoofer.
home cinema surround system
And what's this?
cable to
And okay.
connect it with the main Yamaha amplifier.
Yeah. All right. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Ta-da! Love, love, love. Love and happiness to all.